Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on Facebook notifications for memories on your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to stay connected with your cherished moments from the past. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to ensure you never miss a trip down memory lane. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look for the bell-shaped notifications icon located at the top right corner of the page. It's right next to your profile picture. Give it a click to open the notifications drop-down. Now, in the notifications drop-down, you'll see a small three-dot icon. It's usually near the top, just to the right of the See All button. Click on these three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various notification preferences for your Facebook account. On the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find the Memories section. Click on it to expand the options related to memory notifications. Finally, look for the toggle switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook, under the Memories section. Make sure this switch is turned on. This will enable push notifications for your Facebook memories, ensuring you're alerted whenever there's a special moment from your past to revisit. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on notifications for Facebook memories on your PC. Now you'll receive timely reminders about your past posts, friendships, and significant life events directly through Facebook. Remember, you can always come back to the settings page to adjust your preferences or turn off notifications if you need a break from the nostalgia. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy reliving your precious memories on Facebook.